Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to the video. I probably should not be recording today because I woke up super sick this morning. I'm just beat. I'm out of it. It's like 11 o'clock and I just woke up. So don't mind the scuffiness, whatever. I can't afford to be sick. I got a lot of stuff to do today. So let's jump right into it. The first thing we're gonna do is get everything shipped out, all the orders shipped out. And then we're gonna go run, grab my wheel and tire from the tire shop. And then we're bringing the FRS to Spokane to get the exhaust fixed on that thing. Done. All right, guys, wheel is on the car. Everything's good to go there. And I'm gonna double check that front other tire that was leaking and make sure that thing is not leaking still. So it should be at 40 PSI. Let's run over there, see what it's at. If it's less than 40 PSI, I am going to be upset. 40 PSI, we are golden. All right, it is time to bring this thing into the exhaust shop now to get that exhaust issue fixed where it's constantly scraping the ground. I could probably do it here myself, but I'd rather just pay someone the 30 or 40 bucks to do it. So I will see you guys when we get there.
Do you have anything you want to say?
I need my diet soda, and let's go get this shit fixed. Because it's annoying. Pull the bumper.
Thanks.
Oh, thank you.
I might as well just do it.
Yeah, you want to do it? Gotta pull the bumper.
Maybe. Say it more enthusiastic.
I can't, I'm sick.
What Devin has to do is he has to pull the bumper off. Come on, babe.
Unfortunately. I don't have to, but I probably should.
He's sick though right now, so he's kind of cranky.
I need a 10 millimeter as well. That's a 10 mil all around.
Really? Nice job. Gotta go ask him for another one.
10, not 12. My bad.
Yeah, that's weird. There's a lot of leakage, if you guys can see. I might as well just vlog for you today because you suck. You don't know how to talk.
We got a beautifully wrapped bumper.
Beautiful. I wonder who did it. Me. Nice butt.
See, I gotta make a grill for this thing somehow and figure out how to attach it. I don't know, I could just paint all that shit black, but it'd be kind of ugly.
Why don't you get another grill? The one that you had before.
Because they're 200 bucks, they're just gonna fall out again. Yeah, I don't know why these are leaking. That's really fucking weird. And they're not broken anywhere.
Oh no. Oh. She's beating up his car out there. Oh no.
What are you doing?
I'm chilly. It's so cold out there. It's literally like snowing.
Goodbye.
Bye. Okay, guys. I don't know if you can see me very well, but we're at this place, Dave's Muffler, and don't get me wrong, we've heard really good things about this place, and I think Devin's been here before, but I'm sitting here in Devin's car looking at the hoist that this car has to go up on and the ramp that they're building, and you guys just get a little look-see at what we're all working with here. So I literally don't know how to zoom in this camera, but they've been piecing together with wood boards. Oh, frick.
Ready to try this bullshit? Go film this.
Okay, good luck.
See, it ain't even that low.
Yeah, that was perfect.
You used to say if you could drive it here, we could get it on the hoist, no problem.
Yeah.
Pretty much, right?
Okay, yeah, that worked.
You just proved that again.
You've been here before, haven't you?
No.
Yeah, you have. Oh.
Never.
I've done a lot of my low shit before.
I think you've been here dating me a lot, but I've never gone with you.
I thought that was you.
Honey, I hate when you get me confused with other people.
On the rear one?
Oh yeah. Slide that thing back on, but yeah, as far as this stuff, shit.
You can see
You already straight through. Yeah, you already straight through.
Oh, fuck.
Where did
Let me
it
see
skate?
this.
Who brought this?
That's insane. I knew I had an exhaust leak.
The guy that took the scrap.
Just wait. Which one's further up? That's hilarious. I think I have it somewhere. I put this on like a week ago. Already got a hole in
I
it.
told you it was scraping too. I knew it and you
You
didn't.
know who brought it?
Maybe I need to buy air ride now.
Yeah, you do.
Air Performance hit me up.
We need some air before California.
Maybe, maybe not.
We do.
For sure?
Yeah.
For sure, 100%.
Oh, so you make these as
Yeah,
well.
it's all fucked up.
Yeah.
What's nice about that is it's when the tire goes up, that goes up with it, so that's cool that you still hit it.
Right. Look, as far as how modified some of these are, you know, you could cut this subframe and notch it out, almost like a, well, and then box it back in, just like
Yeah.
maybe a cross member.
Yeah.
Look, it'd be cool to get a nice
Surprised they don't already sell those.
I know, right?
a nice sawzall cut here, because then we could loosen this and twist it up and re-weld it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It might rotate upwards.
Stupid lowered cars.
Well, that other hoist we're getting is going to go, the bottom of your car could be here.
Is this as high as some goes? Oh,
Yeah, it's for dump trucks and it's heavy duty. Good.
Here, I'm gonna go inside, baby. I'm freezing.
Right here. Yeah. All right.
What are you doing?
Trying to stay warm.
People need exhaust work in Spokane done. Where do they go?
Dave's muffler.
Dave's Muffler? Dave's Muffler. Fuck yeah, hopefully it don't scrape anymore.
Well, not even have the plan up on it.
You excited to not scrape?
Yes, it gives me such bad anxiety.
Well, we'll still scrape here and there, but not gonna be anything over. Yeah, I need to fix that shit. I need to get like thinner screws or something. See? Like it's like ripping that wrap off right there and then get one. I don't know if I get a lot thinner one. I could just grind them down, I guess. Kind of bummy though.
Yeah. Somebody probably stole your bumper.
Oh boy.
Baby,
Yeah.
you need to be a little bit more enthusiastic.
I'm trying, but I'm sick. Sorry.
What do you think?
I should just kept that stock diffuser off all the way and just fucking run nothing.
Behind it, though. On the other board, it ain't under the other board. Might work with that. There's the bolts. Now, don't hit the brakes too much. That's what pulls the boards back. Filler. Rolling.
Yeah, almost like I was meant to be.
Burnout time? See how low it is in the rear. Is that enough space? Am I in your way? Okay, oh yeah. Thank you. Appreciate it, Dave. So it's bump
Her
on.
Honda was broken into last night.
Huh?
Her Honda was broken into last night.
one?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah. It's still pretty low, but I think it's better. So we'll see when you go drive the damn thing, huh?
4 bolts. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's fucking easy enough. You gotta have them easy to go off though for shit like this.
Yeah.
Oh, we got turbocharger. This thing's boosted. That's actually on turbo right under here. I think my supercharger, I forget.
Oh, clamp. Baby, can you hurry up because I'm freezing.
I'm trying. I gotta bolt her up. I feel bad sometimes I don't. Hey, it is pretty fucking cold out. Do you want to do anything after this?
I don't know. We'll talk about it in the car.
Okay, go in the car.
No, I'm gonna tell her. I'm gonna go talk to my friend.
Oh shit. Damn it. Film this lady coming out. Can you film it?
I don't know if I got it or not.
I hate it. I gotta put hearts on.
This is focused on me, but after all of that, Devin actually got up and off the ramp. Okay, thank the freaking Lord. If only he would just come inside.
Ooh, now I got even more sick sitting outside. Got phone in here somewhere.
Baby,
Yeah.
say whatever you want to say.
Don't slam your car because then you're gonna just scrape. Jordan, Michigan wants to collab. Jordan, I got your text, boy. Hit me up.
Okay.
Don't slam your car because then you just have to deal with bullshit scraping all the time.
Honey,
Yeah.
real advice or real talk. Okay.
About what?
What did you just do? You want to wrap it up?
Oh, well, this isn't, I don't know if it's in block. What they did, they just took that section that was scraping, cut it off, twisted it, welded it back on, and then there's a hole in the exhaust from scraping so much. They welded back up.
Yeah, you fixed that hair.
Because they were going to replace the pipe, but it was 2 3/4 inch, which they don't have 2 3/4 inch because it's a fucking weird size. So they only had 2.5 or 3 inch, and this is 2 3/4. So they just welded that hole back up and should be good to go.
Nice.
Yeah, let's go drive it a little bit and see what happens. Safe to say that she's not fixed. Lord Almighty. Hey, I took my parking spot.
We're next to Jenny.
Yeah, that's so annoying. I'll call him back, and we just gotta rebuild the whole thing pretty much. The whole system back there.
Oh, that's so annoying.
Keep the mufflers and redo everything else.
Yeah.
I don't know, we gotta do something. That ain't cool. I don't dig it.
Not cool.
Not cool.
Sorry, honey.
It's okay. That's what you gotta deal with. It's just what you gotta deal with low cars and building shit. There we go, as planned. Alright guys, what's up? It's now the next day. I didn't get it in this vlog yesterday because both of my camera batteries I had with me died. I know these Sonys eat through batteries like nothing. I love the camera other than that, but these things destroy batteries. It's insane. So as you guys saw by that last clip, this exhaust still scrapes everywhere I go. It's insane. So it's where that piping, the mid pipe comes down, and it kind of goes into like a Y pipe where it meets the mufflers. It's super thick right there. It hangs down super low, and they were not able to fix that. So what I think I need to do, and what other people are saying to do, is cut all that out and add like an oval section of piping, so it'll be thinner. It'll be wider, but it'll be thinner. So it'll kind of tuck up under there. It needs to be like an inch farther up. So they moved it up to where it was scraping earlier, where it wore all the way through. But as you guys heard, it's still scraping pretty badly. It's super annoying. I did not build this car to scrape, so I got to get that fixed. I'm gonna call the exhaust shop back, kind of explain to them what I think would fix the issue, and see if they have that piping in stock. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this little vlog right here, guys. Really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that subscribe button right up in that corner. As always, if you have any comments or questions, leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more updates on the car coming soon. I have the whole Evo week coming up soon, where I'll be fixing the Evo, doing all that good stuff on there, which I explained a few videos ago. But I'm gonna end it here. Really hope you enjoyed it. All right, peace out, guys. See you in the next one.